guys, what is up? Joe here, back at it again with another special video, and today I am here at Mount Ulap, and in this video I'm gonna give you guys some tips and things to expect when hiking this mountain. Let's go!
A perfect day hike from Baguio City. This mountain is considered as a minor climb that any beginner hiker will enjoy exploring because of its cool weather, awesome rock formations, and beautiful scenic views. To get to the location, you can take a Victory Liner bus from Manila to Baguio, which will cost you $485. Then you can use a taxi to go to Centermall from the terminal. From there, you can take a jeep from Baguio City to Brgy Ampucao. In the registration site, there is 100 pesos registration fee per person, and hiring a guide for the day trip will cost you 600 pesos for the whole group. But if you prefer to be part of a joiner's tour, I'll give you my contact down in the description for the details. Depending on your pacing, the hike will take you around 6 to 8 hours to finish. The mountain is a combination of grasslands and rocky roads. Because the area is located around the mountain province, the hike is cool and refreshing. But you still need to put on sunblock since there are areas that have no shades. Along the way, you will encounter different rock formations with a stunning view. You will experience a lot of pine trees that are very common in the area. And the trail has a rolling hill path, which can be a challenge, but don't let it stop you. You also will encounter several livestock just chilling around the area. There are 3 beautiful peaks to visit along the path. The first summit is called Abanao, which means wide. This wide area offers a vast but beautiful 360-degree view. The next peak is Gungal Rock. Take note, this place is heavily popular because of the huge rock hanging by the edge of the cliff. Hence, you may have to endure falling in line just so you can get yourself an awesome shot. Lastly, the third and highest peak is Ulap. If you're lucky, and depending on the timing of your hike, you may encounter a sea of clouds just passing through the mountains. I guess this is why they named this mountain as Mount Ulap, due to the sea of clouds that you will encounter while exploring the mountain. And that, my friends, summarizes my awesome hiking adventure.
Alright guys, this ends my video for Mount Ulap. I do hope you learned something new about this video. And if you want to be updated in my next vlog venture, go ahead and follow my social media pages such as Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And as always, this is Joe Serrano signing out, and I will see you in my next vlog venture. See you guys!